Hello dear students, I am Mr. Pratik, Mathematics Faculty of Class 8, Mount Litra, ZE School, Jhansi. Today I will explain you how to use the laws of exponents in solving the exponential questions. So here the question is simplify and express these given questions with positive exponents. The very first question is 5 by 7 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 by 7 raised to the power minus 5. You all can see that the base is same 5 by 7 and the base is in multiplication. We know according to the law of exponent, whenever the base is same and in multiplication the powers are added together. So 5 by 7 and the power 3 and minus 5, both these powers will add together. So 3 plus minus 5, it becomes minus 2. So 5 by 7 raised to the power minus 2. Whenever the base has negative power, we do the reciprocal of that base and the same negative power becomes positive. So 5 by 7 raised to the power minus 2 will become 7 by 5 raised to the power positive 2. So we have changed this number with positive exponent, that is 2. Next question. Here you can see the base is minus 7 by 9 raised to the power minus 8, minus 11, and there is no power, it means 1. And the same base is in multiplication. What we will do? We will add all these powers. So minus 8, minus 11 and 1, all these powers will add together. It becomes minus 7 by 9 raised to the power minus 8 and minus 11 will become minus 19 plus 1. On solving, it gives minus 18. So here you can see minus 7 by 9 has negative power. To make it positive, we will do the reciprocal of minus 7 by 9. It becomes minus 9 by 7 and the same negative power will become positive. So minus 9 by 7 raised to the power positive 18. Next, whenever the base is in divide, whenever there is same base and it is in divide, then according to the law of exponents the powers are subtracted. So here 3 by 11 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 by 11 raised to the power minus 3. So these powers will subtract 4 minus and the negative power is minus 3. So 4 minus minus, it becomes plus 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. So overall the answer is 3 by 11 raised to the power positive 7. Next, base minus 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 4 and another same base minus 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 10, and both these terms are in divide. Again we will subtract these powers according to the law of exponent. So minus 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 4 minus and next power is minus 10. So minus minus, it becomes plus 10. So minus 4 and plus 10, on solving it gives 6. So the answer has already come with positive exponent minus 4 by 7 raised to the power 6. Next law of exponent, whenever the base has any power and there is any external power which is also in multiplication, so we will always multiply these two powers. So 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 will multiply it by the outside power, that is 4. So it becomes minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 12. Here you can see the power is negative. To convert this negative power into positive, the given fraction will be reciprocal. So 2 by 5 becomes 5 by 2 and the same negative power according to the law of exponent becomes positive. So it becomes 5 by 2 raised to the power 12. Next example, you can see whenever the base is different and the base has same powers. Here you can see the base is different minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 8 but has same powers minus 4 and minus 4. In that case, the base is multiplied together and outside we will write the same power just once. So 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 8, on solving it gives minus 1 by 12 and that minus 4 whole power. So you can see the power is negative. We will do the reciprocal. It becomes minus 12 by 1 by power 4, which is equals to minus 12 by power 4. Thank you.